Hello, my name is Johnny.
Hello, my name is Saul A1, and today we will be showing you a video about mitosis and meiosis 1 and 2.
Here we have the first day of meiosis 1, and we would like to remind you that the purpose of meiosis is to produce gametes and reduce the number of chromosomes.
The first stage of meiosis after interphase is known as prophase 1, and what happens is that homologous chromosomes, which are pairs of chromosomes that carry genes for the same traits, are bound together in a process called synapsis. Then they are crossed over, in which chromosomal segments of the homologous chromosomes are exchanged.
The next stage of meiosis 1 would be metaphase, and during this stage, the homologous chromosomes line up at the equator of the cell, and the spindle fibers connect to the centromere of the chromosome.
After metaphase 1 would come anaphase 1, and in this phase the homologous chromosomes would separate, which means they went from being diploids to now being haploids, which just basically means that they went from having 46 chromosomes to now having 23 chromosomes, and it just splits in half.
Then comes the final stage of meiosis 1, which is telophase 1, and what happens is that the chromosomes reach opposite poles of the cell, and then cytokinesis happens, which results in there now being 2 cells instead of 1.
And that was the end to PMAT 1. And PMAT is just an acronym for prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, and telophase 1.
After meiosis 1 comes meiosis 2, and the first phase is prophase 2. And during this phase, the same thing happens as during prophase 1, except there is now 2 cells going through the process at the same time. So the next step of prophase from after prophase 2 comes metaphase 2. So the only difference between metaphase 1 and metaphase 2 is that this time chromosomes line up at the equator, not homologous chromosomes, due to the separation that happens during anaphase 1.
The next phase after metaphase 2 would be anaphase 2. And the fact that there are now chromosomes instead of homologous chromosomes means that during anaphase 2, the chromosomes will now split into sister chromatids and then be pulled to opposite poles during telophase 2.
The last phase of meiosis 2 would be telophase 2, and after telophase 2, cytokinesis happens again, and this time there is the final product of 4 cells, and that would be at the end of PMAT 2.
Thank you for watching our informational video on meiosis 1 and 2, and we hope you have a great day.